In order to start AhsayCBS in debug mode, follow the following steps. Open Windows Explorer, then go to Drive C, Program Files, AhsayCBS, and Conf. Look for the cbs.opt file, then open the file with a text editor. There are multiple debug modes available depending on the issue that you wish to address. If you aren't sure which debug mode to enable, consult with our Ahsay support representative. To enable debug mode, add the value true to the corresponding line. Then, save the changes to the cbs.opt file and restart the AhsayCBS and AhsayCBS NFS service. Open the Services app and click Restart Service. Next is restarting the NFS service.